The sounds we're working on today are the EW and the UE, and these are kind of interesting because they always remind me of ew. And it's kind of fun to do that while we sound them out. So let's try it. Blue, ew, blue. This is like the wind, blue. Full, ew, flew, a bird flew in the sky. Ooh, new, a new house. Ew, dew. This is like the little drops of water sometimes that you see in the morning on the grass. They might be called dew. Ew, grew. These are the words again. Blue, flew. New, dew, grew. Now UE also says ew. So here we go. Blue, ew, blue. Ah, but you already used blue, Mrs. Kaper. You're right, I did. This is like the wind blue. This is the color blue. These kinds of words are called homophones. They're exactly the same word if you hear it, but you can see they're spelled differently and they have different meanings. So the wind blue, the color blue. True, true. Glue, ew, glue. Ew, dew. Oh, here it is again. Dew drops, one of those homophones. This is like dew. Your library book is due. Clue, ew, clue. Words again. Blue, true, glue, dew, clue. Don't forget, EW and UE say